Welcome to this comprehensive guide on Azure Account Setup. In this video, we'll walk through everything you need to know about creating and configuring your Microsoft Azure account. Whether you're new to cloud computing or looking to expand your skills, this tutorial will help you get started with one of the world's leading cloud platforms. Let's begin your journey into the Azure ecosystem. An Azure account serves as your personal gateway to Microsoft's comprehensive cloud computing platform. Think of it as your digital key that unlocks access to over 200 cloud services. With an Azure account, you can build modern applications, deploy virtual machines, store data securely, and leverage artificial intelligence capabilities. This account is essential for accessing the Azure Portal, where you'll create and manage all your cloud resources. It's your foundation for working with Azure's infrastructure and services, allowing you to transform ideas into reality using enterprise-grade cloud technology. Before creating your Azure account, let's review what you'll need to get started. First, you'll need a valid email address for account verification and receiving important communications from Azure. Second, a mobile phone number is required for identity verification through either SMS or voice call. Third, you'll need a credit or debit card for account verification purposes. Don't worry though, if you're using the free tier, your card won't be charged. Finally, you'll need either an existing Microsoft account or you can create a new one during the sign-up process. Having these items ready will make your registration smooth and quick. Azure offers 3 main account types to suit different needs. The free trial account provides $200 in credit that you can use over 30 days to explore Azure services. Additionally, you get 12 months of access to popular services at no cost. This is perfect for learning and experimentation. The pay-as-you-go account offers maximum flexibility with no upfront commitment. You only pay for the resources you actually use, and you can cancel anytime without fees. Finally, the student account is designed specifically for students, offering $100 in credit with no credit card required for verification. This makes it easy for students to learn cloud computing without any financial barriers. Now let's walk through the account creation process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to azure.microsoft.com. Click on either the Start Free or Free Account button to begin. Second, you'll be prompted to sign in with an existing Microsoft account. If you don't have one, you can create a new account right there. Third, complete the About You section by entering your personal information including name, country, and contact details. Fourth, verify your identity by providing your phone number. Azure will send you a verification code either via SMS or voice call. Enter this code to confirm your identity and proceed to the next step. Let's continue with the remaining steps. Fifth, you'll need to enter your credit or debit card details. Remember, this is purely for identity verification, and you won't be charged if you stay within the free tier limits. Sixth, carefully review the subscription agreement and privacy terms. Make sure you understand the terms before proceeding, then accept them to continue. Seventh, click the Sign Up button to finalize your account creation. The system will now process your information. Eighth, and finally, wait a few moments while Azure provisions your account. Once complete, you'll be automatically redirected to the Azure Portal, where your cloud journey begins. Let's clarify an important aspect of the payment verification process. Your credit card is required solely for identity verification purposes, not for immediate charging. During the free trial period, you won't be charged unless you explicitly choose to upgrade to a pay-as-you-go subscription. However, you may notice a temporary authorization hold of approximately $1 on your card statement. This is a standard verification procedure to confirm that your card is valid and active. Don't be concerned, this hold is temporary and will be automatically released within a few days. It's simply Azure's way of ensuring account security and preventing fraudulent signups. Now that your account is ready, let's explore the Azure Portal interface. The dashboard is your customizable homepage where you can view all your resources and monitor key metrics at a glance. The search bar at the top provides quick access to any Azure service or resource, making navigation effortless. Resource groups allow you to organize and manage related Azure resources as a single collection, which simplifies management and billing tracking. The Services menu on the left panel gives you access to all 200+ Azure services, neatly organized by categories such as compute, storage, networking, and databases. Familiarizing yourself with these key areas will help you navigate Azure efficiently. After accessing the Azure Portal, there are 3 important initial configurations you should complete. First, enable Multi-Factor Authentication, often abbreviated as MFA. This adds an extra layer of security to your account by requiring a second form of verification beyond just your password, protecting you from unauthorized access attempts. Second, set up budget alerts to monitor your spending. You can configure spending limits and receive notifications when you approach or exceed your budget thresholds. This helps you avoid unexpected charges and maintain control over your cloud costs. Third, choose your default region, which is the geographic location where your resources will be deployed. Select a region based on factors like proximity to your users, compliance requirements, and specific service availability. Congratulations! Your Azure account is now fully set up and ready to use. You've successfully completed all the necessary steps to begin your cloud computing journey. You can now start exploring the vast array of Azure services, deploy your first resources, and build innovative cloud solutions. Whether you're planning to create virtual machines, build web applications, implement artificial intelligence, or work with databases, Azure provides all the tools you need. In our next video, we'll dive deeper into Azure services and learn about resource management best practices. Thank you for following along, and welcome to the Azure community.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.